I'm in Switzerland, and this is Schweiz. I don't know. It's about 450 kilometers from Geneva. KTM contacted me, and they said, "Hey RJ, you really like the 790 and the twisties. Why don't we send you a bike to Geneva, and then you go ride wherever you want to?" And for that they use bike shuttle, which I will put a video at the end of this about it. It's really a very good service, actually. So I flew to Geneva, stayed at the hotel overnight. This morning bike shuttle delivered the 790 from KTM, and I hit, how many passes did I do today? 3-4 passes: the Forca Pass, the Grimsel Pass, the Oberalp Pass, and the Slossen Pass, something like that. Anyway, I'll put a map on that as well. So I'm staying for 5 days riding, and I'm gonna try and do as many passes as I can. And isn't this gorgeous? Look at this, man. Truly incredible. I would love to have a boat on this lake. A speedboat, though. This is the first day ride, which I'm calling it Passes 1. So I'm going to leave Geneva, which is down here, and I'm going to head all the way to, let's see, what was it called? Morsage, or whatever way you say it. And on the way, I am going to be riding the Grimsel Pass, which is down here. All this route here, and then the Forca Pass, which is this route here, and then I'm gonna just head in to do the Oberalp Pass, which is this route here, and then go back and end day one up here. All in all, it's 436 kilometers. It's predicting it will take me 9.5 hours, which I truly doubt. And as you noticed, I switched to using, for this tour, I got a TomTom 550. Now, I bought it, nobody sponsors me, as you all know, but I really like the way it does route planning. So for this route, I started by saying, okay, I wanted the thrilling route, I want it to be the hilliest and the curviest. And then I started to adjust it from there. And it is so easy because it's all web-based. It syncs to all my other devices. It syncs to the TomTom 550 wirelessly as well. So any change, it just goes and syncs it. So far, I'm really liking it. So the only thing now is how would it perform while I'm on the road. I'm ready to ride the 790 on the Alpine passes, and KTM, what they did is that they shipped the bike with bike shuttle. So I just took a flight here, woke up in the morning, and the bike is just about to be delivered by bike shuttle. And what they do is that they collect it from the UK, and then they have two bases, one in here so you can hit all the Alpine passes, and one in Toulouse so you can go to the Pyrenees. We'll go watch it being offloaded now. Guy, where do you collect from in the UK?
We're near Silverstone.
Near Silverstone, yeah, so everybody gets you the bike to Silverstone, yeah, and then you deliver it to here,
yeah, and Toulouse.
And Toulouse.
Toulouse by the airport in Toulouse. A lot of people, they ride to us, they change into their civvies, and then we take them in a minibus to Luton Airport. They fly here, stay overnight in this hotel.
Yeah.
The next morning, the bike's on the car.
And I notice a lot of them just have got even their GPSs on, their riding gear and everything. Unlike me, which I came in my civvies and I've got to change into everything.
Helmet, special boxes for your leathers. So
Fantastic. These are the boxes I saw there.
Yeah.
Right.
Them up, 4 lids in each one.
Fantastic service.
So this is your bike at the end here.
It's not really mine, it's KTM's, but
Your ride for the week.
it's not the one I had on loan, so it's an orange one.
Send it back, wrong colour.
Yeah. Brilliant. And that's your scrambler?
That's my little scrambler,
Beautiful.
Yeah. I put these nice wheels on. Have those wheels made specially. They're from Central Wheels in Birmingham. So it's like the old.
Spokes, yeah.
I try to make it like the old Steve McQueen Husqvarna.
Yeah.
You can't buy that. You can't buy that bike anymore. Yeah, I never realised that Husqvarna was owned by KTM.
Oh, they bought it from BMW 3 years ago now.
Right, you want this? You want to turn this one off now?
Yeah, you ready to take it off? Yeah.
Yeah.
Watch. That's it.
The smallest bikes in all your collection, huh?
I suppose it's taking the front off first.
Okay, sure.
When you do
Yeah, that's a good
one,
idea.
it kicks over.
Good idea.
So just leave the tire left down.
Set that one down.
Take this one down.
Yeah, I think so. You can go.
Are you coming down?
Yeah, I'll come down with you.
Okay.